So hello guys, welcome back to this new tutorial on Lutt Putt Gaya song. It's a really nice and energetic song and you will really enjoy playing this beat along with the song. So let's get ready and let's start to learn this beautiful song. So it's a really simple and nice beat which I have for you all. The starting is 1 2 2. Wait, before that the strokes same. So 1 is this is 2, this is 3. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. Cool. 1 2 3. But if you want to play a bit advanced version of this, and you can do this thing. So 1 2 3. I'm not doing this, I'm doing this. Okay, so 1 2 3 or 1 2 3. So now let's learn first part. 1 2 2. 1 2 2. 1 2 2. Play with me. 1 2 2. 1 2 2. 1 2 2. 1 2 2. 1 2 2. 1 2 2. 1 2 2. Done. Now 3 2 2. 3 2 2. 3 2 2. 3 2 2. 3 2 2. So first was 1 2 2, then is 3 2 2. So fast. 1 2 2. 3 2 2. Simple. The last part. 3 2. 3 2. 3 2. So the whole beat 1 2 2 3 2 2 3 2. The same beat which is required to play for Shape of You, which I taught in the previous section, previous video. So 1 2 2 3 2 2 3 2. But advanced version you can play is so. So this I might teach all sometime in the future in some other video, but for now if you don't know this, you can play the simple beat by doing this as the third stroke. 1 2 2 3 2 2 3 2. 1 2 2 3 2 2 3 2. Okay, so now let's try this beat on the song together and see if you have understood it. Start with me. Start. 1 1 1 2 2 3 2 2 3 2. Easy, right? You need to practice this properly first. Okay, 1 2 2 3 2 2 3 2. 1 2 2 3 2 2 3 2. 1 2 2 3 2 2 3 2. 1 2 2 3 2 2 3 2. Easy. Yes, very simple small video it was. You must have learned this. So practice this beat. You might not get it in the first try, but keep practicing. Try the strokes 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3, and break it down into 3 parts. Learn it and enjoy playing it with the song. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you get new videos which I upload on different songs. Also do like the video if you liked it, and share it with your friends who would like to learn such table beats. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.